So DIY expert Sarah Milligan is here to show us how to do this at home.
Yes.
How?
Yes. Well, there's 3 different styles here. So I want to show you this one first. This
one?
is a typical disc-shaped fascinator. So
Can I try it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's a really big fan of it.
Yes.
That one I made with some wire to give it some
You
structure.
made this, which is unbelievable.
Yes. Oh, that looks great on you. That looks perfect.
I like fascinators a lot. Okay.
If you don't want to go that big, you can also do something a bit smaller, which is something like this here. So all I've done is glued some pieces on this hair comb, some tulle, feathers. Feathers is they're always a part of a fascinator. And this fabric flower here. And then we have this one here. So Meghan Markle is a big fan of like the beret, sort of felt beret hat.
Yeah.
So this is sort of inspired by her a little bit, and we can make this together.
Okay.
So the first thing you want to do is determine the size that you want. So you have a bowl or a plate at home. Make sure that this is the right size that you want. Once you have that.
Antonia, you should be wearing one of these too.
Yes.
Okay, why do you wear that one?
That would match your outfit perfectly.
Okay, you get that set while we build. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So you're gonna
Stay
start.
with us. Yes. Okay.
You're gonna start with your base. I'm just using a cereal box here.
Yep.
And then you're gonna cut it. And then glue the corners over like this. And then that's gonna give you this shape, this sort of dome.
Oh, I see. Okay, so then you do a couple cuts, right?
Yeah. So you do all 4.
And then you take your glue gun. Oh, you look fab. Oh, that suits you.
I love
You're even
that.
standing differently with your fascinator.
I feel different with the fascinator on. Right?
Okay, so then
you're gonna take your felt and you're gonna start gluing down if you want to do that.
Okay, just like
add a dab.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
It's been a while
and
since
then
I've
you're gonna
seen you.
keep pulling that around and gluing until the whole thing is covered,
perfect.
right? So you have something like this. I've done a couple layers here.
Yes.
And then one more thing I wanted to show you too is that felt is great for making these little loops. So as long as you have your wire and your felt, you can make a shape.
That's smart.
If you want to twist it into whatever shape you like.
That's great, and then you can get that, and then you can add whatever you need, little face covering,
Yes, veil, flowers,
beautiful.
feathers, and then there you go.
See, this is a lot of fun. You could actually be doing this while you're watching at, 4 a.m. CTV's coverage. Just throwing that out there. Which will be really exciting. Do you want to throw yours on too? Guys, should we do a wave? Oh, look at you found the teacup and everything. Did you just ditch my flowers? You ditched, you're like, you're out of here.
Come on.
Okay, well, why don't I hold the flowers?
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna go to break.
There you go, you're the
But
bride.
I feel like we're all ready.
There you go.
This is the wedding party right here. This is all you need to know, right? Thank you so much, both of you. These are great ideas.
Thanks, Lindsey.
Okay, I'm working on this one. By the way, Mary Berg is here tomorrow. She's going to show us what to put on the menu at this really amazing party that we are all going to and we're going to throw. So stick around for that tomorrow. In the meantime, we'll be right back. How does that taste now?
Gorge.
Yeah. It's good. Thank you. Thank you.